land low kicks in MMA, kickboxing and Muay Thai without breaking your shin. As a person that has been in a couple of amateur MMA, kickboxing and even Muay Thai fights, these are some of my most favorite ways to land the low kick. My most favorite way. Okay. So first way to land the low kick is when he's taking a step forward to attack you. Okay, take a step forward to attack you. Okay. Now the thing why it is so easy to land the low kick while he's taking a step forward is because while he's taking a step forward, his weight is on the lead leg. And when his weight is on the lead leg like this, it's very hard to lift up the leg to check it like that. Okay. And in that time, I can land a fast 45-degree low kick like Liam Harrison does. Okay. Okay. Come on. It's very easy to land the low kick like this. Okay. Try to block the low kick now while taking a step. Okay. Come on. Okay. It's quite easy to land the low kick when he's stepping forward, since his weight is now on his front leg. While stepping, his weight, he can't lift up his weight like this. So if I'm stepping like this, it's very hard to lift up in between a step. Okay? If I'm on my light feet, I can check. But when I'm taking a step, it's very hard to check the kick. So while he's coming forward, it's quite hard for him to check the kick, and I can easily land the low kick. This is one of my most favorite ways to land the low kick. And I have to make sure the distance is right. I'm not in punching range. Okay, I'm doing from a distance. I can even keep the right hand as a check. So again, come forward. Okay, that's the low kick. Okay, now after I get a couple of those low kicks in, by the end of first round or in the second round, now I like to set up the low kick with my jab. Okay, so I'll be working my jab. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, he's blocking the jab. Okay, now since his attention is up here, now I will go low. Okay, so jab, and again 45-degree low kick. Jab, low kick. Jab, low kick. Okay, so jab, 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 and low kick. Again, it's a 45-degree low kick, not the one that is chopping. Okay. Okay, it's a fast one.